Our good evening, guys. I discuss about types of networks. So there's six types of networks. So first is personal area network, local area network, and metropolitan area network, wide area network, storage area network, campus area network. So first is personal area network. So me so personal area network, a small private network connecting devices within an individual immediately vicinity, typically 10 meters or less. So, designed for personal use, it links device like smartphones, laptops, smartwatch, and wireless earbuds via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi direct. So, example, connecting your phone to a wireless headset to take calls. So, number two is local area network. So, a network covering a limited geographic area, a home, office, or school, campus. So, use wired Ethernet cables or wireless Wi-Fi connections to share resources, printers, files, internet among connected devices. It's owned and managed by a single entity, e.g. a company. So, number three is metropolitan network. A network spanning a larger area than a LAN but smaller than a one, e.g. a city or a college district between multiple campuses. So often uses fiber optic cables for high speed connectivity and managed by a single organization or a group of stakeholders. So example, so a city public Wi-Fi network covering downtown areas. So number four is wide area network. So a network that connects multiple LANs or MANs across large geographic distance, e.g. countries or continents. So rel- relies on public or private telecommunication links, e.g. satellite fiber optics or release lines to enable global communication. The internet is the largest example of A1. So number five is storage area network. So a dedicated high-speed network designed exclusively for connecting servers to centralized storage and e.g. days, arrays, tape, libraries, and backup systems. So unlike general purpose networks that handle multiple types of data, emails, web traffic, sans isolate storage traffic to ensure fast, reliable access to large volumes of data. They use protocols like fiber channels or ISCSI to enable servers to treat the network's storage as local drives. SANs are critical for organizations with massive data needs, e.g. data centers, hospitals, financial firms, because they improve data security, simplify backup and recovery, and allows scalable storage expansion without disrupting server performance. For example, Bank Sun might store billions of customer transaction records, letting multiple servers access the data simu for. So number six is campus area network. So definition is a specialized network that connects multiple interconnected local area network LANs within a limited continuous geographic area owned by a single organization, typically a university campus, corporate headquarters complex, or military base. So can can bridge the gap between lands, single buildings, and metropolitan area networks means citywide. They use high-speed wired fiber optics or wireless connection to share resources. Research labs, campus Wi-Fi, centralized server, and recreational facility system across multiple buildings, unlike MAN scans, are fully owned and managed by one entity, allowing for tighter security and customized resources allocation. For example, a university can might link its lecture halls, dormitories, and research centers, enabling students to access library databases from their dorms and professors. So that's all about of types of networks.